Good day everyone. Welcome to our Packet Tracer activity presentation. I am John Moses Puyot together with my partner Ravenson Tayong. Today, we're thrilled to showcase our hands-on experience in setting up a small organization network using Cisco Packet Tracer. As you can see, we've deployed one router to manage internet connectivity and traffic routing. It has also 4 switches to interconnect devices within the network and one server to host essential services and 6 PC for user access and productivity. So this router serves as the backbone of our network, connecting our internal network to the internet while ensuring secure communication, and each switch acts as a central hub, enabling devices like PC and servers to communicate seamlessly within the local network. Our server here hosts critical services such as file sharing, email, and web hosting, enhancing collaboration and productivity. So finally, the PCs serves as endpoints for user access, enabling employees to perform their daily tasks effectively. So now, let's delve into the configuration process in Packet Tracer. So we'll outline how we physically connected each device and configure their settings to ensure a seamless network operation. So this includes assigning IP addresses to devices for identification and communication, configuring VLANs to segment network traffic effectively, and implementing security measures such as access control list or firewall rules. And by following these steps, we're able to construct a robust network infrastructure that meets the organization's requirements for reliability and security. So with this activity, we encountered various challenges that tested our problem-solving skills. One notable challenge was configuring VLANs to segregate network traffic effectively. However, overcoming these hurdles, we not only honed our technical abilities, but also gained a deeper understanding of network management principles. So this activity isn't just about tinkering with network devices in a virtual environment. It's about preparing ourselves for real-world scenarios. Understanding how to design, configure, and troubleshoot network setups is essential for anyone pursuing a career in IT or networking. By mastering Packet Tracer, we're equipping ourselves with invaluable skills that will serve us in our future endeavors. So, this activity helps us to understand how to design and configure or troubleshoot because it is essential for everyone who pursues a career in IT or networking. So, thank you for joining us on this journey through our Packet Tracer activity. We hope that you found our presentation rather informative and insightful. So, stay tuned for more exciting network-related adventures. So, thank you and God bless.